Okay, so I'm going to show you how I weigh my parrots. Now the first thing you're going to need is obviously a set of scales. You can buy scales specifically for parrots, but they are really expensive and there's no need for them. You just need postal scales. Mine weighs with 5 gram increments, but really it's much better if you can get 1 gram increments. And the other two functions you want on your postal scales is a hold and tear button. The other thing you're going to need is something for your bird to actually perch on. I'm using a planted tub which I've attached a perch to, but really you can use anything. The most important thing is that it's absolutely stable and that there's absolutely no chance whatsoever of it wobbling, otherwise that's going to upset your bird. You then need to tear your scales so that it reads at 0 and then press the hold button. The scales will register the weight, and because you've used the hold button, that weight will remain in the viewing window. So before you get your parrot, you want to get a treat ready. You can pop it on the perch, or I usually put it on the side because it's handy. Then you get your parrot. Come on, Clarence. Look. Come on. He's a good boy. Look. Good boy. He's a good boy. Come on then. Good boy. Because I've used the hold function, I can see in the window his weight even though he's not on the scales anymore. It doesn't stay on very long, as you can see, but it's long enough for you to recognise the actual weight. You can use any perch at all on the scales that your bird is comfortable with, as I say, so long as it's stable. This is a basket that one of my other birds prefers to use. So this is my favourite way of weighing birds. It's completely stress-free for them and stress-free for me. And hopefully that'll help you weighing your birds too. Bye bye, Clarence. Bye bye.